Hello friends, welcome to our channel Contemporary Literary Review India. Hello friends, in this video I am going to review a fiction titled Revenge Cold-Blooded by the author Satish Chandra Verma. I hope that you can see the title clearly. This is a debut fiction by the author Satish Chandra Verma. This is a mystery thriller and there are several mysteries and suspense going on in the fiction. The story is about a well-educated girl who is actually gang raped by 4 people. She, Gul, is the protagonist of the story, and she resolves to kill all the culprits. So the suspense revolves around how she traces all the culprits and how she kills, if she is successful in killing all the people or if she is caught by the police, or what happens in the end. And the good thing about this fiction is that the English language used in the story is very easy. You will understand at the first reading. So I recommend it to anyone who wants to spend a good time in reading a fresh book on Sunday or Saturday. The story revolves around a well-educated, young and beautiful woman named Gul, who works for a pharma MNC in the city of Mumbai. On an unfortunate day, she becomes a victim of a gang rape by 4 people. As a result, she is broke. She wants to share about this incident with her family members, but she doesn't. She doesn't lodge a police complaint either. She suffers a lot of trauma and keeps on crying for 3 days continuously. Finally, she takes resolve of taking revenge. The revenge of killing all 4 people. This fiction is a mystery. There are several angles which make the story mysterious. The first point is rapists are unknown. Although Gul, who is the protagonist in the fiction, wants to kill the rapist, she doesn't know much about them as she did not know them. No plan. Gul has no concrete plan how she will kill all the culprits. Who will execute the plan of murdering the culprits? Gul is not sure if she can do this all alone. A man named Ravi helps her in executing her plan of murdering the culprits. But who is Ravi and why does he want to help her? Typically, this person is neither from her office, acquaintance, or family members or friend circle. This angle actually makes the story mysterious because where did Ravi come from? And who is this person? Why does he want to help Gul? And in what ways he helps her? Next point is how to trace the rapists. Do Gul and Ravi find out all 4 people? And how? How is it possible that in a big city like Mumbai, these culprits can be traced and brought to the result? Who are these rapists? If they are professional criminals, goons, vagabonds, her colleagues, college friends, or who else, you will be surprised to know that they are neither. There are several hooks in the story that will actually grip you to read until the end of the fiction. The first point is with no plan how Gul executes. As I have already highlighted in the beginning that Gul has no concrete plan how she will kill the culprits. However, the situation in the story evolves on its own, and Ravi and Gul take advantage of the situations and plan the execution accordingly. Gul is almost caught. The protagonist Gul is almost caught twice by her opponents. So the question is if she can come out successfully, if she will be saved, if yes, how? That is a very typical question in the mind of the reader. Police inquiry. On the very first murder of one of the culprits, there is a police inquiry. Even there is a talk of a CBI inquiry to be set. So the question is if the police investigation will catch Gul and Ravi, who would be caught? Whether Gul or even Ravi. So what is the end result of this police investigation? So the readers will be curious to know if police inquiry will lead to a concrete result and Gul and Ravi would be caught. That is a very critical, gripping hook in the story. How Ravi helps Gul? What is the planning? How Ravi hunts and where and what is the situation, or how he is understanding, okay, this connection will lead to this connection, next connection, and how the situation evolves. Now, the first point is easy language. This is a very interesting point. The English language used in the story is very easy. You don't need to take the help of a dictionary to understand the meaning of any word. The story is completely gripping. One situation will lead to another situation, but the readers will all the time be curious how or what will happen next. So this makes the fiction like to be read at one stretch. 6 hours reading. This book is about 6 hours reading. Hence, I would recommend this book to anyone who wants to read fiction on Sunday or Saturday. Review from the marketplace. Revenge Cold-Blooded is available on all popular ebook stores, including Amazon and Flipkart. Here, I would like to mention a few of the review comments by the readers from Amazon. Now, I will take you on a tour through all the reviews received from different readers on Amazon. This is the book Revenge Cold-Blooded, and this is the details about the book. This book is available in digital edition and in paperback edition. You can buy at this price. This is the detail of the book. This book has been published by Clever Fox Publishing. Here we see several ratings given by the readers. Most of them are in the 5-star category. Some are even in 4 stars category. Now we can see the reviews from different readers. The first review is by Ashish. He writes that this book is an excellent work by the author. and is definitely must read. And in my opinion, it should be a best seller. Ashish further adds that he liked the way the author has thought about the plot and characters. Very neatly drawn storyline and well connected to the characters. What I like the most is the initial thought of the plot, which kind of distincts this thriller to uh, other such thrillers. Ashish further says that the author keeps the suspense built, which engages the reader till the last chapter and makes him feel a part of the drama. Definitely meets the expectation of the title of the book. Next comment is by Rana Rasgna. He says this is the revenge story of Gul, a beautiful smart girl who is gang raped by 4 members, including a politician. And this makes this a story of pain and revenge. It's a well thought plan and perfectly executed with a happy ending. Next comment is by Kala Hegde. It's a heartbreaking story of Gul, a beautiful, confident girl who is gang raped but vows to take revenge. She meets Ravi, who falls for her and helps her with it. Similar review comments are by other readers. One is by Ashita Rai. It's a very well written and the storyline is very gripping. I ordered the Kindle edition of this book, and after reading it online, I'm going to buy a paperback version as well. Yes. So it's a very good idea of reading a book actually. Next comment is by Priya Rai. Excellent piece of fiction. After a long time, I have read such an absorbing thriller, that too woman hero oriented fiction. Truly dedicated to the respect of women. Actually, this is even subtitle like dedicated to the respect of women. Okay, so I believe that this reader actually got the theme of the story. Happy reading to all the readers. Thank you for watching our video.